Hi, hello friends, it's Jolene. I'm here today to share something I got for a bargain, beauty items, both skincare and makeup. And so that's what I'm going to share. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. I like to share all things beauty, decor, shopping, finding a good bargain, all those things. I do share a lot of my subscription boxes and whatnot. And today I'm going to share a sale I got from Glossy Box. And I have not one, not two, but 3 boxes. So I'm going to show you what I got. And let's get started. Okay, I paid $7 per box, and I actually have some more on the way because I could not resist $7. You would pay a lot more than $7 for just one item in this box. So let's open them up and see. I'm not even sure what, I know what I picked, but I'm not sure what's all in here. So they always have it packaged pretty. They have a flyer that comes with it. Got tissue paper here. Let's see. So this is how this box looks. Let's see what I got here. Okay, so the first thing I have, I'll pull out the big theme. This is Super Greens Cooling Gel from Farm X. Okay, it's a big bottle of something here. And I am going to, let me see what it says about it here real quick. So this is formulated with super nutrients like broccoli sprouts, Brussels sprouts, moringa oil, and green tea. Hello, vitamins and antioxidants. This lightweight moisturizer is designed to keep skin looking softer, brighter, and healthier. Dewy skin is in. The retail value is $37. And I'm curious, hearing all of that, what this is going to smell like. I don't know. Doesn't sound real promising. Okay, so there's the bottle. And ooh, actually, it smells fresh. Not a bad smell at all. It feels kind of clean, maybe a little bit chemically, but okay. Just trying some on my skin here. It is dewy, that's for sure, but it rubs in good. So, ooh, I like this smell though. I don't know, it's just real light, fresh, clean smelling. So that's the first item, worth well more than $7, right? Okay, so the next item I'm pulling out here is hand cream. It's by Mercy Handy is what it's called. And I think this one is, let's see, it's just a hand cream boasting a magical whipped texture. It's lightweight and here we go. So that's that. Okay, always can use a good hand cream. Great for the size for putting in your purse. Okay, the next item I'm pulling out is a Luxy brush. I like this brush. I like Luxy. I'm really happy. I have a lot of Luxy brushes, so this will just match right in with my other ones. So it looks like it could be either a highlighter, bronzer, blush, just some kind of a face brush. So that's my third item. The fourth item I have in here is by Model Company, and it is, let's see what it is. Oh, okay. I might have to do this again. This is a highlighting shimmer whip. Okay. Your secret weapon for highlighting and adding luster to your skin. Okay, I like that. Let's just try a little bit. Pretty. Very, very. Yeah, I don't know if you can, if the camera can catch that. There's very much a luster there. I actually really like this. So, that is a good product from Model Company. And the last item in here is from Estate, and I believe it is an eyeshadow. I have no idea what color it is. It's Estate Cosmetics. It's called Peach Punch. Yeah, lots of peaches. Peaches and a purple. Not super crazy about that, to be honest with you. Someone may like it. It may be great for someone, but I'm not sure it's for me. So, there's that. So, I got the eyeshadow palette, the highlighter, the hand cream, the Luxie brush, and the Farm X moisturizer. So I got all that for $7. So I'm pretty happy with that. I think it's a good box. So anyway, there's that. That's the first one. And if you are, for Glossybox, you have to be a member or subscribe to be able to take advantage of their sales like this. They are, I believe I pay like $18 a month for a box. I don't always have a subscription. In fact, I think my subscription ran out, but they're still letting me purchase these. So, I like their boxes are great. I save them and use them to give gifts in. Now this next one is it's in a tin box, and a lot of their boxes, they do special like occasions and holidays and things that they put them in different boxes. This is a darling box. It says little, what does it say? Little Wonders. Little Wonders inside. So let's see what Little Wonders are inside this box. Again, it's still packaged the same inside. They got a card in here with QR code that kind of tells a little bit about the box. I don't know if this card has what's in here. I don't know. Okay, so there's a first look at the box. I'm going to pull out what's right on top here. This is a Kenra Volume Dry Shampoo. Oh, it's a dry shampoo. I love getting these small ones because they're great to take on vacation. Kenra is a really good brand. I've actually used their hairspray and really like it. In fact, I used to carry one just like this that was a hairspray. I used to carry it in my purse. But anyway, so yay, that right there was $7. The next thing I'm pulling out here is it's a sheet mask. It says serve chilled. It shows a couple of little glasses of rosé. So it's just a cute little sheet mask. So there's that. The next thing that is in here is from First Aid Beauty, and there we go, there's the product, and it is a smoothing body lotion. Oh, I've never gotten a body lotion from First Aid Beauty. So that's nice. Travel size, so that's nice. The next thing I have in here is from Evio Skin, and this is a lip serum, hemp and peppermint. Okay, this is what it looks like. I just took the lid off. So it's got the pump right there. I'm sure it smells like peppermint. It's got a little bit of a color to it. I don't know if you can see that. So, anyway, yay, I like that. I love lip treatments. The last thing I have in here is from Earth Harbor. This is a refining enzyme mask. I do use a lot of Earth Harbor products. This says red seaweed and fruit enzymes. Let's see what color it is. Okay, it's just kind of a bluish purple jelly. Feels very light and fresh and clean. It is kind of jelly, rubbery, yeah. But anyway, I'm happy with using Earth Harbor on my face. So I use some of their serums and stuff. So that's that. So in this box, I got the Earth Harbor, the First Aid Beauty body lotion, the peppermint and hemp lip balm, the rosé mask, and the Kenra dry shampoo. So once again, worth $7 for me, so that was fun. And it also came in a really, really cute box. So you can't beat that. All right. Box number 2's down. I got one to go still. And let's see what this one's all about. Yay for Glossy Box. Stick around because after this I have something I want to share with you about Ipsy. But anyway, here's to opening this one. It says all eyes on me. So let's see if it has the products in here. Yep. All eyes on me is the theme. And the first item I'm going to pull out is an eye product from Ico. And this is a mascara. So it's the Ico small size mascara. It's got a rounded there we go. So that's the first item. The next item I'm pulling out here is from Stamp and Drag, it says, and this is from Ciate, London. And I have a feeling this is a eyeliner. It's called Stamp and Drag, so I'm thinking it might be something to help you with a cat eye. So there's what it looks like. There's one side and there's the other side. So what you do is you put this on your corner of your eye, and then you stamp for the cat eye, and then you just draw the line with this end to meet it. So kind of excited about that. So there's that. And the next thing I'm pulling out here is from Basic Beauty. And this is, let's see, don't think it's on here, or is it? Oh, okay, I know what this is. It's just a pink tweezers. just a nice little tweezer. So, something that's nice to have handy for touch-ups. And then the last, no, I have two more things in here. The next thing I have is sleek highlighting palette from Copper Plate. And let's see, I'm kind of a bronze. It's really nice, a metal palette. And I have a feeling it's going to be really nice inside. Ooh, I like it a lot. Okay, so it's a highlighter palette with golds and kind of peachy pinks. Yeah, very pretty. So I'm excited about that. And then the last thing I have in here, I have two of these conditioners. They're both for your hair, 5-in-1 deep conditioner. They're from, well, they have different names. I don't know who they're from. Let me see if I can tell you who they're from. They have really cute names on them. Crybaby and Bad Attitude hair masks from Maine Club. Okay, so really cute. We got Crybaby, and then we got Bad Attitude. And there's actually a lot in here. Like for my hair, I don't have real thick hair, so these would go a long way probably. I could do a few different treatments. So those are nice conditioning treatments. So I got those. I got the Ico mascara. I got the tweezers. I got the Ciate London eyeliner. And last but not least, I got the highlighter palette, which I love. So got all that for $7. Once again, yes, it's worth it. So I always love a sale, especially when it comes to makeup and skincare. So that's that. What do you think? Did you have a favorite one of the three? I'm still trying to think. I don't know if I can pick a favorite box. I have a couple of favorite items. I really like that highlighter palette. I like the eyeliner. I'd have to go back and look at some of the other products I got in the other boxes. I already forgot. But anyway, if you're interested, like I said, you can go sign up for Glossybox. And I believe they still have their sale going, so you can pick up boxes for $7. They also have other things that, you know, are a little bit more, just depending on what you get. I know I recently shared a couple of boxes I picked up for $10. And so anyway, I was really happy with that purchase. Before we go, I want to share one more thing. Also, if you're interested, these are red aspen nails. I have down below, you can look in my comments, I have a link that you can purchase these nails. I love these nails. They last me, gosh, sometimes 3 to 4 weeks. If one pops off, all you have to do is glue it back on. But these nails have been, out of all the press-on nails that I've tried, these are by far the best quality, and they last the longest. So just wanted to show you that. If you're interested, check out down to purchase those. So anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, you can comment below and I can answer any questions about Glossybox and the purchases that I made. So, and I also have down below, I also have I can't remember if it's $5 or $10 off your first box with Glossybox. So you can always try it for a month too, and you see if you like it. So, and then also that would access you to the sales. Anyway, so let me know if there's any questions. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye-bye, friends.